Hello YouTube, welcome to my COOLKO magnetic micro USB cable unboxing and review. So I just got this off of Amazon with Prime 2-day shipping, arrived 5 minutes ago. I will now do an unboxing first. So right off the bat you can see that there's these black scratches everywhere on the back too. Even on the sides, everything just looks unclean, but I hope the product will be better than that. So this is the magnetic micro USB cable by COOLKO. Just gonna open up that box. Let's see what we have inside. So I did get the new design, and it's 2 cables for Android in black. This is off of Amazon. Open up the box. This box is really hard to open. Right. Oh, what the? I bought 2 cables. Why is there only 1? In case you're wondering, there's nothing else. Oh, there's this car adapter thing that came free with the 2 cables. Or 1, apparently. And, there's this, I have no idea what this is. Right, so the reason I got this was because my original Android cable was broken. The end sort of fell off here. Sorry for the bad camera quality. I'm using a really old iPhone to film this. So this is the back of the box. And look here, right here it says 2 cables, Android black. And, well, I only have 1. I'll see how it does. Right, this rubber band is pretty low quality. Oh, it's already sticking to it, which is a good sign. Some of the cables Some of the cables review I've seen on Amazon describe certain cables just being not connecting properly, not being magnetic, so this is pretty good so far. I think this is this car thing that came with it. So, I have the default Samsung Android adapter here. I'm just going to go plug it in. This is and it's very hard to plug in. Oh, there we go. That took a lot more effort than I wanted. And now this is sticking to this. This is sticking to everything. Right, the COOLKO magnetic cable. So this part just comes off, and then okay, pops on pretty correct. Oh, look at that. No, it doesn't. There we go. Now it pops on correctly. So I have a Samsung tablet right here. I'm going to just plug it in. So it's also really hard to plug into the tablet. Okay, there we go. Right, and right after I plug it in, this cable starts falling off. Gotta pull it back on. So it is charging. Just okay. All right, it's charging. Pull it off. Stick it back in. Oh, so every time it sticks back in, it doesn't want to come on to the default place. Oh, yeah. It takes a wiggle to see how it, like, if I just let go and then it snaps back on. Sometimes it does it. There. Sometimes it just does that. So I have to just. Oh, cool. Okay. So I've never actually used a magnetic one before. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, there's these, open that. This is really hard to do with one hand. Right, so there are these, metal plates here. really tarnished. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it might be hard to see, but they're really tarnished. And yeah, I guess that's it. Oh, so it was advertised that this USB light would light up, but as you can see, it's plugged in, and this is not lighting up. That's very interesting. If I plug it in, no light whatsoever. Guess the LED is broken. 17%. Well, it did charge 1%. Decently fast. My original. Here, I'll show you the original. Ooh, this is also really hard to unplug. So this is standard USB. The original micro USB cable I had was really easy to plug in. That's it. Whereas if I unplug it, it's also really easy. Whereas if I plug in the COOLKO one, it wants to plug in, but it stays right here. So I have to push pretty hard to get it to plug in all the way, and pulling it out is just almost impossible with one hand. This little magnetic bit here is fairly easy to remove by hand. It just sort of pops off. It's next to impossible to stick it back in with one hand without the cable. Oh, there we go. And this magnetic part, when it plugs in, just gonna plug this in here. Yeah, so it takes a push to actually get it into the plug, and then when it's connected, it is charging, but there is no light. So if I unplug it, it stops charging. If I plug it in, it charges. Unplug it, it stops charging. But there's just no light. There are these sticker things that came with it. I don't know what those are for, nor do I know what these plates are for. No idea what this plate's for. Anyways, so that's my review of the COOLKO magnetic micro USB cable. I don't know why. This is my standard Android cable. It's so much better than the COOLKO one. Honestly, the COOLKO one just came with one cable, and it just doesn't work out very well. The LED is broken, so I would say don't buy this product. It doesn't work very well. It only came with one, whereas it's advertised to come in as two in a pack. It takes forever and a lot of effort to plug it into the USB-A, and this just sometimes it doesn't connect well. It starts connecting like that. I have to move it manually. The LED light doesn't turn on, and look at that, it's still at 70%. So not insanely fast charging either. This is 1.5 meters long, which is decent, and it's rated at 2.1 amps. So, well, I guess. Yeah, that's it. See you guys next time.